What's up everybody? Welcome to this video. Today we've got a stinky bathroom we're gonna be checking out. Let's go take a look. Take a whiff. What's it smell like?
It smells like a dog that didn't take a bath.
It's pretty gross in here. We're gonna figure out what's going on in this video. All right, let's take a whiff. What's it smell like?
It smells like a dog that didn't take a bath.
It's pretty gross in here. I don't know what's going on, but it reeks. What do you think, buddy?
Gross. Just you.
Because people can't actually smell when they watch this video, right? So what's it smell like?
I feel like I'm gonna throw up right now.
I know, it's so gross. So we're gonna figure out what's going on in this video. So a smell like that, it's hard to describe, but it definitely smells like something sewer related, but not necessarily coming from the toilet. So, I mean, this is just a bathroom and pretty simple. It's got, so the smell can only be coming from, what's up, dude? From certain places. Now, one thing you want to make sure is that it's not coming from outside, and I can't really tell. The smell is just permeates the whole room, but what we can do is go over to the next bathroom, and there's a similar window on the same wall. This is a shared wall, and it does not smell in here. So, I mean, that's probably the first step, is to determine, is it indeed coming from this room or from the outside? It's definitely coming from this room, and there's nothing really else that it could be. It's not like mold. I mean, it's a strong, pungent kind of sewer smell. So what's going on? In this bathroom, we've got a shower, toilet, and sink. And what I suspect is going on is that well, first, before I tell you, we're gonna rule out the toilet here. It could be something that's like leaking from down there. It could be, obviously, I'm not gonna, it's clean, but it's not coming from the toilet. That's, there's water in the toilet, so there's nothing like seeping up through there. And then this is fresh water in here, so there's no reason why this should be smelling or anything like that. So that's kind of my reasoning. I'm gonna cross this off the list. I don't think it's that. So that leaves, where else could the smell be coming from? Probably that drain or this drain. Now, what happens is, if you're a plumber and you're watching this, you probably have a better explanation. I'm not a plumber or a pro at all, but what happens is this P-trap is filled with water. Like when you run that, water will come down, but it won't exit this whole P-trap and go out. It actually stops here, and this is always filled with water. And so there could be a possible, if this somehow loses water, it somehow could create an empty space where air can travel through this and out your drain, right? So that is the theory behind that. This needs to have water in it, and if that logic is true, then it would apply then to this drain. And I mean, you can get down there and smell and see. I mean, I do see like a water line there, so I don't really know what's going on or where it's coming from. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. So you can get down there and smell that. It doesn't seem like it's coming from this. It seems like it's coming from this. So just to be sure though, we're gonna turn on the cold water and just let water run through that for a minute or so. And you could turn on the hot too. More volume is better, but you don't need to waste hot water because that requires energy to heat the water. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna do that with this one. And we're just gonna run water down here a little bit. And again, the idea is that you've got enough water coming down to fill up this P-trap, because with water in it, it should block any type of sewer, methane gas line coming through, or whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I said methane, I have no idea. But we're gonna do that, and we're not done yet. We're gonna add one more little thing. This is, I think, a common problem when the bathroom hasn't been used for a long time, or for even a couple days. And on windy days, especially if it's windy out, wind can actually pull. If you ever, on a really windy day, watch your toilet, open that up, it's clean or flushed, but the water level will actually go back and forth. And I think my logic says that the P-trap, the water is gone in there, or something's going on, even though I'm not really sure in this particular case. But what we're gonna do is just run it, like I said, and then we're gonna do one more thing. But let's go ahead and turn this off. And turn that off. And then we're gonna come out here to the kitchen and grab some of this, oil, because oil floats on water. And so sometimes oil here can create a little coating or a layer, and that will help prevent this from evaporating. If there's, I mentioned wind pulling it out, but what if it's evaporating somehow? A little layer of oil will help prevent that evaporation and create kind of a block, just a little bit. We're gonna do that and see if that takes care of the problem. We'll come back in, I don't know, maybe about 12 hours without it being used and see if it still smells. And if it doesn't, then I think that helps, or that will solve the problem. And if it still smells, then, well, we've got some more troubleshooting to do. All right, here we are the next day. What do you think? Does it smell?
No. But let me see.
Really? What do you think? Come over here.
There's a little tiny little scent of something. It smells very good now in the shower.
Is it gone? I think that smell's gone.
In the shower, also that's my soap.
Right, but I don't smell that. Do you smell that really terrible smell that we did before yesterday?
No.
No, I think we're good. All right.
Graham.
So that seemed to work in the meantime. If it doesn't work, we can certainly think about keeping that covered, getting one of these things, or snaking, putting some like vinegar, baking soda and vinegar down there, or possibly snaking it. But if it still is a reoccurring issue, there might be like this wider problem of like broken tubes, or tree root growth underneath, or something bigger. So in that case, probably you want to call a plumber to investigate. But I'm gonna call this fixed, and hopefully this has helped you out.
Are you okay? Look, come over here. Come on.